Good morning, it's Annelie van Rensburg, and today we are going to paint a flamingo. The colors we are going to use is inks for now. It's going to be turquoise, deep violet, processed magenta, yellow, orange, Pthalocinine Green, the blue shade. These ones gold, hot mama red and waterfall green. I'm just going to drop in maybe a little bit of those. But first I'm going to prime my canvas with gesso, and after that we will, when it dried, we will start painting. It's my second layer, so I already put on one layer and then I decided to put on a second layer. Okay, I'm gonna use these pinkish colors. Maybe I'm not gonna use all the inks. I will just see as I go along. So I'm gonna try and use the pinkish colors here where the bird is, and the blues more to the background side. So I'm gonna first wet my board. You can even use watercolor paper for this technique as well. And canvas works very nice, but as I said, I haven't got any canvas at the moment. Just make sure it's evenly spread. And then I'm going to start with a little bit of my orange. You will see it spreads a lot more on the canvas or on the watercolor paper. It's a little bit difficult to let it spread on the board, but we're going to do it. Take my turquoise, that's where my background is going to be. A little bit of my alcohol. Okay, this one is finished. Let me try this one. And I think I'm gonna let it dry now. I maybe gone too wild with the alcohol. We will see. so I've put a little bit of too much alcohol there. I'm just going to try and recover that piece there. Maybe this magenta a little bit more. As I said, I think that bottle is too big. The hole is too big. And yeah, I think that's about it. I'm going to drop in a little bit of gold in the background. Just here and there. And then I'm gonna let it dry, and I'll come back when it's dried. Okay, this is dry now. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna use an extra color that I didn't put up in the info. It's platinum pink or rose platinum. So I'm gonna use this for the lighter color in the flamingos. So I've already put the few colors out there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of my purple, and I'm going to use that for the shadowy parts. So the light is coming from the left hand side, so the shadows are going to be in this on this side. So I'm just going to put in a little bit of purple there. I'm not going to do this too realistic, so we'll see what happens. You will see some of the colors are transparent and some of them are opaque. So just beware for that every time if you start to paint. If you put on opaque colors, it's gonna cover everything on your canvas. But if you put on a transparent color, it's gonna show the colors coming through in the back at the back of the canvas, like this one. You can see this one is transparent. I'm just going to quickly cover where I forgot to, because I did that background on that way. Yes, it didn't cover everywhere where the bird's feathers must come or must be. So I'm just making certain I cover all those areas. I'm going to start with my highlight. I'm going to go to this rose platinum pink of mine, mixed with a little bit of my Art Mama red. Now you can see there's a lot of glittery effect into these paints. So where this ones are just normal, but I'm going to combine them, and we'll have a look what comes out. These are also a little bit transparent, so just take care when you put them on that they cover the area. You can always put a little bit of white with it, and that will do the trick. Because the moment you put your titanium white with any color that's transparent, you will start to make it opaque. So I'm just gonna use my brush in that motion, just dab it around to get the look of the feathers. At this stage I'm just switching between these two colors. used this one, the rose pink. I think it's the rose platinum for the lighter colors, as I said. The hot mama red for the darker colors. And I'll maybe throw in a little bit of the magenta, processed magenta as well. Ugh, I didn't want to put it on the white, but now, yeah, it fell on the white, so we'll just use it like that. I'm putting a little bit of, as these are inks, they are very watery, as I can put it that way. So I'm not trying to paint realistic, as I said. I just want to put in a little bit more purple. So as you can see, I'm just using this for a backdrop to put my pink against, because you need some shadows and highlights. The first wash I've put in over didn't work that well, so I'm just going to put on a little bit thicker. What I'm doing now, I'm just putting in the way the feathers is going to be folding around the body. So that I can remember when I start to actually put the feathers that it will be in the right direction. These feathers over here will be white, so I'm not worried about them too much. Just darkening slightly on the side of the beak. Give a little bit of depth, how do you say that now? Depth.
see you smile again. Watch your eyes light up the room. Feel the sunny days caress our skin when we begin to flow. All the white noise fading out to the void of everything we've done. We always make mistakes, but round up just where we began. I might be lost again, but I haven't seen you too.
hope you enjoyed this. I'm finished now, so I worked mainly in my acrylic inks, and then I worked in this fluid acrylics, the same colors. So I'm just going to splatter a little bit, and then I'm finished. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.